My name is Yusuf, Onabekun, and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to retarget your audience. Let's say you've been running an advert for a while now. As you can see, these are the various adverts in this account. Now, if I want to retarget them, I need to first go and create my custom audience. Anytime you set up an audience to use for an advert, it's most likely always come up here. So for your custom audience, there are various ways. You can decide to target them based on websites. This is going to use the pixel you have installed on your website to target whoever has interacted with your advert again. So it makes it way easier to do that. So that's one way you can do that. Another way you can go about it is if you have an email list. Because I don't have a business manager, that's why. If you have an email list, you can also target them. Now, if you have a video set up, let me say I want to choose those that have 75% of whatever videos. Now decided that let me choose the video from my page. There's no views, so let me use another page. Let's say for this person's page. Now look at now look at this. Now let's say I want to target those that have watched these videos. All I just need to do is select the various videos that I want to click on confirm. Obviously that selected them, and just give it a name so I'll be able to know it. So that's how to retarget is on video. The next one is on Instagram account. Who have engaged with your Instagram account. Let's say now, as you can see, they said when you break it down, you can see the interpretation of this, include people who visited your profile, took action or whatever. Likewise, it's explained. So this is going to target pull out audience based on those that have interacted with your Instagram account. Same when you go to the Facebook page. I want to believe these samples or this session I'm choosing are the most likely options that you will be using when you want to run your retargeting. Retargeting helps you to cut down on how much let me show you a good example of how much. Let's say this is it now, like this particular one now. As you can see, my retarget I put 500 now for the main site. So which is now, because people are now familiar with me, they're more convenient with me. Now just imagine this 63 clicks would just have wasted and gone like that without me being able to benefit out of it, or this 50. Now let's do a lifetime. Now have you seen how much the retargeting saved us? Over half of whatever we spent on the initial amount. Just imagine how much it would have cost us more. So this is what I'm saying. So with retargeting, you're able to make much more better money with your stuff. And this is another sample did for a client recently. Now let's see a lifetime. Let's say a retargeting now. Just imagine. So that's how much it's going to help you, which is the same thing I always do. How often do you do your retargeting? As often as possible. The interesting thing about retargeting is even it's something that keeps building continuously if your advert keeps running continuously. So with that, it helps you to save and also optimize your advert for much more results. Thank you.